Choo-choo, what are you doing? Come, Chi-Chi, let's both of us eat popcorn. Oh, wow, popcorn. Choo-choo, let us find out who can eat more popcorn in 1 minute. Okay, let's eat. 1, 2, 3, start! Look, Chi-Chi, I ate 40 popcorns. And I ate 28 popcorns. Oh, Gajanan uncle, you.
Chichi, which of you two ate more popcorn?
Uncle, Choo-choo ate the most popcorn in 1 minute. That is 40. And I could eat only 28 popcorn.
Wow, Chuchu. Now, tell me how many more popcorn did you eat than Chichi?
To know about that, we will have to do the addition of 40 and 28.
Oh no, Chuchu. Not addition. But you'll have to do subtraction.
Why subtraction? Yes, uncle, please teach us.
Okay, I will teach you. So, children, today we will learn some interesting things related to the addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. Chuchu, how many popcorns did you eat in 1 minute?
I ate 40 popcorns in 1 minute.
And Chichi, you?
I ate 28 popcorns.
If I will ask that total how many popcorns did Chuchu and Chichi ate, then to know that we will have to do the addition of 40 and 28.
But how would we know that we have to do addition?
When to do addition? Listen carefully. When we have to count things of two groups or we have to add things of one group to the things of the another group, then we have to do the addition. Or if you are asked total how many, then you have to do the addition.
And when to do subtraction?
When some of the objects of a group are removed, eaten, blown away, lost, etc., then we have to do subtraction. And when comparing things in two groups, how many less or how many more, to know all that, we also have to do subtraction.
Yes. So how many popcorns did I eat more than Chichi? To know that, I will subtract 2 10 and 8 ones means 28 from 4 10 means 40. So it will be 1 10 and 2 ones means 12.
Yes, so Chuchu, you ate 12 more popcorns than Chichi.
Did you see, Chichi? I ate 12 more popcorns than you. I won!
Children, now you would have understood when to do addition and when to do subtraction.
Yes, uncle. When we have to know the total number of things, we have to do addition. And when we have to know how many things left from the total things, we have to do the subtraction.
Well done, children. Now you both play and I will go.
Bye, uncle.
Friends, today we learned some interesting things related to addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. In the next video, we will learn about tracing of things in our surroundings.